How to kill a killer bee. Killer bees are very dangerous and have infiltrated many southern states of the United States. Texas is now completely affected, which means that the whole state has been invaded by killer bees, with Florida close behind. Killing these bees that have been deemed killers themselves should be done with great caution. Here are some tips if you decide to kill a killer bee. Stay safe and wear protective clothing. Purchase beekeeping attire like veils and sting shield products. Learn how to properly put on the gear and wear it. Identify the bee as an Africanized honeybee, also known as a killer bee. Many bees cannot be identified as killer bees by comparing two bees with the naked eye. Send the bee to a laboratory for statistical, cuticular hydrocarbon and DNA determinations. Contact your local fire department, beekeeping association or pest control expert for advice on killer bee identification. Get training to remove the bees. Contact the local pest control department in your state. Florida and Texas have killer bee removal courses through state agencies and private individuals. Get trained to best deal with a killer bee problem and fully eradicate the bees. Find the nest and destroy it and the bees living in and around it. Be still and quiet and wear the protective gear. Destroy the killer bees the way you were taught in training. Call a professional if you doubt you can do the job safely and effectively. Killer bees tend not to slow down once they have been disturbed. They will relentlessly pursue a victim and wait for the person to reappear. It is very dangerous to handle bees in areas where the killer bees have been known to exist. Rely on a professional to handle the extermination of killer bees in your home or yard. Tips. Warnings. When in an emergency situation, when you need to kill a few bees but don't have the proper training, try one of those methods to kill the isolated bees: bug sprays for bees, a bug zapper, an insecticide called 7. Suck the killer bees up in a wet dry vac and then add the poison, or use a bee vac.